Ready for cold?
It's not cold at all.
Or we've got a mango sorbet, which is made out of locally grown produce.
Alright, that's what we want.
That's what we want.
Mango sorbet.
Decent camera.
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
Are we having one each?
Now can we just get two, please?
Two? Sure.
Two. Yummy.
No, you didn't get it.
Oh.
Alright.
I think it's recording. Yeah, cool.
Down the bottom is your west areas, so your Cloncaries, Isers, Julie Creek, all that sort of thing. The top shelf is more your cans and that sort of area. Please help yourself if there's any that catch your attention. I can help as far as here to Port Douglas, but I don't do west. So, but if you have any questions or if you want any ideas, give us a shout. And if you are going to Cairns, I very much recommend their aquarium. It is amazing for kids. Yeah, they've got like the 2-story aquariums and everything. But yeah, for this, and if you've got our RSCQ membership, discounts. So if you go into the discount section on the RSCQ website, you can get like 5% off for your family. So why not? That's like a cup of coffee for you guys afterwards. There's also on the Cairns Esplanade, you've got the lagoon at one end, which everyone would know about. But if you go up the other end, there's a cafe called Muddy's. It's just really nice cafe, but they've got playgrounds all around it. These two, like it's those playgrounds that go up to all sort of ages, not just the tiny ones. So definitely stop there. Because, I mean, muddies, like mud crabs sort of. I mean, my kids are younger. They were only 4 and 2 when we went there. But yeah, the playgrounds are pretty epic. So you guys get a decent cuppa with a view of the Esplanade, and these two can run themselves ragged for a couple of hours.
Awesome.
Okay, good tips. Thanks for that.
But all that sort of information can be in here. Stop at your information centres because we're all struggling at the moment, like every other business in Queensland. But we're volunteer run, so unlike everyone else, we just want to
put you up on YouTube and we will promote as much as possible.
Well, yeah, look, particularly once you get north of here, most of the information centres are exclusively run by volunteers. So they're, like, as soon as those borders open, they went back to work to try and encourage people to find all those small spots.
Well, that's what we're after, all of those.
It's definitely worth it. Now, another good one for you to consider is Paranella Park.
Okay, so I've seen that.
It is paid entry, but they actually have a van site attached. It's included in your entry fee, so you can stay there for the night. But have a look at that one. And I'll go get my Atherton Tablelands book. Because you definitely want to go there.
Absolutely.
The book has all the information, but take this map with you. I did a 2-week drive holiday in far north a few years back, and that brochure there and this one here planned my entire holiday. Like those two alone have the information you need. But let me go grab that Atherton book, and then you can have a browse and see what else.
Millie, we have to get some dried mango for Mel.
It's better value to get bigger.
Right, you can get bigger one. And the kids are already saying it's the best mango sorbet
Yeah, you get one.
Where are you, Mel?
We're at the Big Mango.
Big Mango.
Yeah, we have to get a photo of us sitting in front of the Big Mango eating.
That happened.
That was very helpful.
Yeah.
Right.
Lots of information.
Definitely worth
Well,
a
we're
visit.
doing a lot of things here.
Apparently.
Definitely worth a visit to the Bowen Information Centre. Super duper
Cheers.
helpful. We've walked away with a million pamphlets of things to do.
And 3 things of mango sorbet.
And they are
Which is delicious. We bought 2.
The mango.
We had to go and get another one because we're now fighting over it.
Alright.
You got it? Let's go. So we are currently in Bowen, staying at the Horseshoe Bay Resort, which is a really fantastic caravan park that's right on the water. Perfect position. Walk to Horseshoe Bay, walk to a fantastic cafe down the front. the Horseshoe Bay Cafe. We've just had lunch at the Horseshoe Bay Cafe. Fish and chips, delicious, great milkshakes. We're now doing the walk that is from the car park at Horseshoe Bay. So we are going to do the Mother Beddock circuit. That is, oh, grade 4. Very steep, rough track.
It's fine.
And yeah.
How many grades are there?
I don't know. Let's do it.
God.
Let's go.
Oh my.
This is scary.
Where?
I got this patch on my leg where your phone's sitting, Mum.
Yeah, it's all
And
sweet.
it's just a sweat in this rectangle.
Puffing and panting. It is such a beautiful landscape though, with all the rock formations that you walk through and then these views out over the bay.
It's pretty special.
If you can like see just down there is our caravan. It's pretty hard to see, but you can see the colours of what we do. Use.
Full shot. Like stood on that rock there, or hit that rock, and just sort of.
It really is such a beautiful part of the world, Bowen. And probably, you know, I think a lot of people probably get to Airlie and might not go a bit further, but Bowen is definitely worth a stop. Caravan park is fantastic. It's small. I would recommend booking ahead because there aren't a huge amount of sites, but it is just, if you're after location, Horseshoe Bay Resort or Caravan Park there has definitely got that in spades. And great snorkelling just off the beach at Horseshoe Bay. So we went snorkelling here this morning at Murray Bay, which is just beside Horseshoe Bay. It's a couple of minute drive or a 5 or 10 minute walk around to Murray Bay from Horseshoe Bay. And yeah, snorkelling straight off the beach.
How'd you go, Mel?
A bit cold and not much to see, but it was still fun.
What about you, huh?
Very cold.
So we're here at Murray Bay, which is just sort of over the headland is Horseshoe Bay there, which is where we're staying. And we asked the receptionist at the place at the caravan park where the best snorkeling was, and she said to just duck around the headland to here, Murray. And we've just been out and it was really cold. You would not know that we are in the tropics because, oh my god, that was the coldest yet, and yet we're heading north. So yeah.
This is the resident peacock at Horseshoe Bay Resort, and the kids have loved seeing him with his tail all up. It's beautiful.
Get Mel's bag and to put it down and help her down. Yes, Mel, we do. Why has Mel got both thongs? Go down. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we are just at Horseshoe Bay. Oh, here comes Alan Mel. Just headed out to do some fishing. We dropped a line out this morning. Pretty early before the wind got up. It was good. We caught a couple of decent wrasse. Yeah, but it's a good little spot actually. You cast and sort of within. I'm focused elsewhere, trying to make my way across all the rocks. It's pretty tough. So yeah, got a couple of decent wrasse this morning. Now the sun's setting and the tide's coming in, so I've been told that's good conditions. So maybe I'll even be able to catch us some dinner. Where am I gonna go? Yeah, I think I'll probably head out, just out there. Oh, here's Alex. Come to watch. Yeah, we even brought out the drone and stuff so we can get some cool sunset shots. We're just using some squid that we bought from the reception at our holiday place, the Horseshoe Bay Caravan Park. It's worked real well for us. Caught us some, we don't really know what it was. Something the sabo, just a little one, and this morning a couple of decent wrasse. Honestly, we should have taken them back, but we didn't have the ruler to measure if they were legal or not, so we didn't bother.
Hard pass for me.
Hard pass on what?
Doing that. Hook. Slimy. Squid.
It is pretty slimy.
Ew. Like, ew.
Alright, that's on.
Hey.
So we were just out here fishing, David's still fishing, and then if you can see, right out there where we were swimming earlier this morning and hiking, there is a fire over there. Just hanging around there.
You can see. Oh no! He's getting hit!
There's like a little blob right around there. Yeah, you can see it. Swimming. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Oh, you can see the turtle.
There it is.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my god, is that? Oh, sorry, man. That was.
What are you doing? So, little Millie over here managed to lose her camera bag in the ocean. So yeah,
We
managed
got.
to snag a good catch there. Right, can we back up?
Yeah.
Something massive out there.
Wait, how big?
Like big,
Like shark big?
like shark big, yeah.
Ooh, yeah!
Mom, why are you so excited to have a shark?
Because it'll be cool to catch a shark.
A Gotti Ferrari. Woo! No, just go down and grab it. Come on, David, catch a big one.
I actually catfish, aren't they?
Yes.
Oh,
She's on.
Yes, and I got it all on camera.
Oh, she's a bit undersized.
Oh, she's undersized.
No, is she?
Little one. Yes, she is.
What do you think, Cal? Look at her. She's actually quite pretty.
I'm gonna close that. Let's go.
Hang on, can I just take a quick photo?
Whoa.
Oh, I'm not a fish. And we're not fish kissers, so.
Oh.
We ain't.
Okay, ready,
Selling
Dad?
off 360 for you, Mel.
I can't believe you caught it. That was, and we,
Can't believe I'm a pro fisher.
and we got that all on GoPro from the second you cast.
Oh, really?
Sorry, now we have to
Got a photo?
deal.
Oh my, hang on.
We have to deal with it now. Gabe, now we have to deal with it.
Alright, put it down.
Okay, come on. Now let's do the big boy job.
Got a little fish. Oh, more.
Spider.
Well, we did get a fish.
Is it just on the lip?
Yeah, I think so. It's an easy one. Except the squid's in the way. Alright, so just came back from a little fishing sesh. We're just out there. Only caught like a little cod, like nothing. It was like that big. So not as successful as this morning, but we sent the drone up, and I think I got some cool shots of Alex climbing around the rocks and flying around the headlands and whatnot, but who really knows? Still getting my head around the whole drone work and camera work thing. So it's 10 to 6 now, so we'll run back and meet the fam for some dinner. Hopefully they've made something and haven't expected us to bring back a nice fish. Alright.
Home like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the. Shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run, tell me step out the case. When the whole place scream, gotta get out the.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, so Bowen, fantastic. Very, very much worth a stop.